So today we're at the Mount Washington Hotel in the White Mountains of New Hampshire, attending the New Hampshire Association of REALTORS annual convention. This is a panoramic view of the back part of the Mount Washington Hotel that we're staying in. This is a marvelous hotel. It was built in 1902 by a local industrialist who bought 10,000 acres of land up in the White Mountains in 1890. Built this hotel there. This was one of the big destination hotels that people used to come and stay the summer in. All these porches and everything you're seeing are all overlooking the White Mountain Range, which we'll pan around to in just a minute. Now we're panning the White Mountain National Forest, which is adjacent to the hotel. We're also overlooking the hotel's golf course. There's some snow on top of Mount Washington, which is the mountain directly in the foreground. Mount Washington is where the highest recorded wind gusts in the world have been recorded. I think it was in 1938 when the wind gust went across the top of this mountain at 238 miles an hour. They have an observatory and weather station on top that continually records the weather and so forth. There's also a cog railway that goes up to the top of it. You can see the white trail with the dog leg in the middle up the mountain in the foreground. Coming on around to the rest of the mountains. Snow on quite a few of them. Mount Washington is the tallest. I believe it's about 6,280 something feet. Several other mountains around here with some ski areas. And we're kind of getting back into where the sun's out. Might come into the camera a little bit, but we're back around to the back of the hotel again. So there you have Mount Washington Hotel at the White Mountain National Forest.